many gifts are given in the 12 days of Christmas?
There are 364 gifts given on the 12 days of Christmas.
If there is a problem in the world that you could solve, what would it be?
The problem in the world I would like to solve would be world hunger.
If you could do one thing differently last year, what would it be and how would it affect you?
If there was one thing I could do differently last year, it would probably be to be more involved at my school, Dawson, in Pearland. I would have loved to be on yearbook or do cheer there.
What is one goal that you have this year, and how are you going to ensure that you accomplish this goal?
This year, I hope to achieve everything I need to for my grades in school and my knowledge, and I hope that I meet some people at Lamar and just have a good junior year in high school.
What was your proudest moment?
When I started horse showing a couple of years ago, I think winning and getting my first show over with was probably my proudest moment.
If you had a superpower, what would it be and why?
If I had a superpower, I would probably fly so that I wouldn't have to spend money on gas, but I'd still want to have nice cars.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Friends with Benefits with Mila Kunis and Justin Timberlake. I love it, but I also like Ariel and Hercules from Disney.
If you could have any animal as a pet, what would it be?
If I could have any animal as a pet, it would probably be a tiger, go LSU, or I would like to have a horse because I don't own one yet. I also like a dolphin would be cool.
What is your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is obviously compete in horse shows. I'm a hunter jumper, which means we jump over stuff. I also like going on vacation to see my cousins in Florida, New York, hanging out with my friends, getting my nails done because I'm a girl, and I like going to the gym because it just makes me feel like a better person, and I love meeting new people.
What is your favorite football team?
My favorite football team would have to be LSU for college. I like A&M also, but the upcoming game between them is November 23rd, so I'll be torn in half. And then for the NFL, I love the Texans, of course. Let's see, I like Washington Redskins just because I met Kirk Cousins, which is the backup quarterback. Yeah!